Hey guys, it's Will from Jordanbikes. Today I've got to sell this absolutely stunning. It is a KTM Superduke R1290. Wow, these are a beast and a half. So it is a 2016 on a 66 plate. It was first registered in November of 16, so it's still covered under KTM's warranty. It is a one owner bike, 11,510 miles, full service history, previous owner, took it around Europe. It's one of them bikes to do it, it's an absolute beast. So I'll give you some examples of how powerful this is. It is 180 horsepower, just over 100 foot-pounds of torque. This thing will do 0 to 124 miles an hour in 7.2 seconds on a track. Yeah. So let's give it a quick start up so we can hear it as well. Couple of cheeky extras over new anyway, so obviously you've got the power parts from KTM there, just on the forks. It's got the Akrapovic decal just on the side, R&G on there for a bit of protection as well. It's really, really nice, super stunning. Right guys, biggest thing is, you need to come and see us, or just give us a call. We do finance, take cash, we do part exchanges, we do it all. Get yourself down to Jordanbikes, come and see us, cheers.
Thank you.